Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. All we have lot of habits. In that, a very healthy habit is reading newspaper. Newspaper provide information and general knowledge. This habit will widen your outlook and will enrich your knowledge. Many of us used to read headlines from the newspaper because we want to know the main news. Today's our topic also related to newspaper, that is expansion of news headlines. Our headlines should be catchy and attractive. It depends on your own creativity and imagination. Expand the headline into a more detailed complete sentence by adding even more additional words and phrases. Here is some tips to write headline expansion. First one, expand the abbreviation. For example, if they given CM, we have to expand the abbreviation CM as Chief Minister. Second one, use appropriate articles. For example, in appropriate places, we have to use a and the. Next one, use preposition. Preposition we can use for time, day or date or place. Next one, we have to add date and place. If you add date and place, the readers they can understand in which date it is happened or in which place it is held. Next one, rewrite the numbers in words. Next one is change the infinitive forms into future continuous forms or else simple future tense, or else we can use is or are verb plus ing. For example, if they given 2 plus verb 1, it will change to will be plus verb plus ing, is or are verb plus ing, or else we can write will plus verb 1. The next one is change simple present tense into simple past tense or else present perfect forms. For example, if they given verb 1 means we can change us to verb 2, or else we can add have or has verb plus 3. The last one is change simple past verb into passive forms. In question, if they given verb 2 means we can add was or were plus verb 3. Now I am going to show you some examples for headline expansion. First question is Google to invest more in India. In this sentence they have given 2 plus verb 1, which means they have given infinitive form. So the answer is we have to add day and date, which means June 19, next place Chennai. Google will be investing more in India soon. So you know very well why we add will be plus verb plus ing. Next, if you want to join any other information, we can add it, which means here it is announced by Mr. Prakash. Next example, Indian scientist discovers a new planet. From this sentence, you may understand discovers is a verb 1. So according to the rule, verb 1 changed to verb 2 or else have or has plus verb 1. So the answer is May 26, Delhi. It is a proud moment to rejoice as an Indian scientist has discovered a new planet. So here the verb we have to change to has plus verb 3 form. Another one example, passengers injured in an accident. In this sentence, injured they have given as a verb 2. So the answer is January 22, Theni passengers were injured near Theni bypass road yesterday. So in this sentence, we changed were plus verb 3. The next sentence is CM to visit flood affected area. In this sentence, we have to change the abbreviation as well as the verb. So CM changed to Chief Minister. The answer is May 27, Chennai. The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Edappadi, will be visiting flood affected areas in Chennai on Monday. So here we have to change CM as Chief Minister and we added will be plus verb plus ing. Here is some exercise for your better understanding. yourself.